Hey, what's up everybody? Again, it's me, Joffrey. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome back guys with another two amazing devices from Huawei. And this time, I will gonna show you my two favorite products that I was waiting for. So come on guys, let's join me. Let's jump into the video.
But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews.
Double cup, big country, holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui.
First, here I got with me the Huawei Y9A that comes with an incredible ultra full view display with a 64 megapixel all scenario quad camera and 4000 mAh battery with 40 watts supercharge. And on the other hand, I got the all new Huawei Watch Fit that truly changed my perspective on smartwatches. The Y9A offers you an immersive viewing experience unlike the other brands, and that's due to the ultra full view display that comes with incredibly high screen to body ratio of 92.02%. Let's take a look at the back. From the back side, you got this stunning halo ring design that was first introduced on the Huawei flagship models. What makes it even more beautiful are the three different colors that you get to choose from: Space Silver, Sakura Pink, and Midnight Black. On the back, you get 64 megapixel scenario quad camera. Now you can capture super clarity shooting for sweeping landscape, distant landmarks, and close-up scenes. Even at night, you can capture blur, free, and focused handheld photos in low-light situations. And don't forget about the pop-up selfies camera. AI Beauty brings you customized beauty effects according to gender, age, and skin. As always, Huawei always provide the best battery solutions in all their smartphones. The Huawei Y9A comes with huge battery 4000 mAh that can charge from 0 to 67% in just 30 minutes only. And you can get 7 hours of phone calls after 5 minutes of charging. Y9A also comes with Huawei Petal Search, where you can search, download, install, update your favorite apps by just a click of your finger.
With all these features and specifications, what are you waiting for guys? Grab yours now. And now, let's take a look of the new Huawei Watch Fit, and let's check what's the buzz all about.
There are so many reasons that makes the Watch Fit my favorite smartwatch available currently. Let's start with everyone's concern when it comes to buying a smartwatch, which is the battery. The battery that can last up to 10 days on normal usage. Now, truly I don't have to worry about charging it, unlike the other more expensive smartwatches in the market that I have to charge every 2 days. The looks and design of the watch is usually the second concern you probably have. Well, the Watch Fit comes with an incredible 1.64 inches display with auto brightness that makes it so much easier to read notifications and messages even under sunlight. And best part is the option to customize the watch faces through the health app to suit your mood. Now let me tell you why this watch is my favorite. This watch provides 12 kinds of animated quick workouts and includes 44 standard movement demonstrations. It also includes a total of 96 workout modes to choose from. So no more of wasting time on searching online on how to do a specific exercise. I got my personal trainer with me wherever I go. Watch Fit also provides me 24 hours tracking of heart rate, stress monitor, sleep tracking, and oxygen saturation level with accuracy, which make it so much easier to track my performance for a better and healthier lifestyle. And all the data can be viewed in details through the Huawei Health app on my Huawei Y9A. So hurry up and head to the local stores to get your very own Huawei Y9A and Watch Fit. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.